Bye, John. You get my steward slot. Frog Island. Oh, it is beautiful. Yeah.
The fact that I got 2 ACs.
Well, originally they were like, well, we go use volunteers. I go, you can't use them. All right, guys, you guys stay in the back because I don't want too many people back because you're going to trip over the cables here and I don't want to get somebody hurt.
So do you know why that line is built differently than this line?
I think they're rebuilding a lot of the bridge.
Oh,
and
okay.
That's the main track. I think we might be on the siding.
Okay.
It's still all 10, I think, on both tracks.
Yeah.
But I think they've been rebuilding
They
the
do
decking.
still bring guys on the other track.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's usually just to park him. If he's not going anywhere. Yeah, finally got to go across this bridge.
Yeah, that's a nice light guardrail.
Yeah. You'll see.